Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Tumblr app not working. So first of all, let's talk about the easiest and often the most effective fix. Head over to Google Play Store and tap on this magnifier icon at the bottom. Then search for the app name in the search bar at the top. Once the app shows up, tap on the update option if it's available to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. But if the app still isn't working, try deleting the temporary files. Head over to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to Apps and tap on it. From here, scroll down and look for the app. You can see mine is over here. Then tap on it. And once you're on this screen, you need to scroll down and tap on the storage option. It'll take you to this screen. Over here, you need to tap on the Clear Cache option. This removes the temporary files that might be causing issues without affecting your personal data. You can also tap on Clear Data option, but keep in mind this resets the app to its default state, so you might lose saved settings or your login details. But if the app is still acting up, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app, as it can often fix deeper issues. Simply head over to this app page and tap Uninstall at the bottom, and then tap OK to confirm. Once it's uninstalled, simply head back to the Play Store app to install it back on your device. Hopefully, this will fix the issue, and if it did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.